This is the Veagaso Dehumidifier, and inside this video we're going to break this product down to see exactly how it works and why it's worth getting. Along with the dehumidifier, you also get a hose, which is great to drain out all of the water that it collects. As far as the body and the composition goes, this is actually a pretty small unit. As you see, my hand takes up half of this dehumidifier, which is great because you can just roll it out of the way when you're done using it. It's meant to dehumidify up to 2,500 square feet, which is actually pretty big in the size of the majority of houses that I've seen. You have your water reservoir right here. It just attaches to the bottom just like so. You have the hose input here to drain out all of the water. And then we have all of the controls here at the top. We'll start over here with the right, which is the power button there. And it shows you the humidity in the room at this button right here. Currently we're at 55. We have this humi button here that will allow you to set your desired humidity. Then we have three different modes: dehumidify, dry mode, and continuous mode. We're gonna go ahead and keep it on dehumidify for this video. Then you also can set a timer. You can change the speed from low to high, and honestly, it's not that loud, especially if you have it on low mode. You can barely even hear the fan going, which I really do appreciate. Then you can also lock it if you have children or pets or anything that's going to be pressing on this. You can lock the screen so that none of these buttons or settings get changed. I love how tiny this is, and it really does make for a compact and usable dehumidifier. The standout for me is going to be just how quiet it is. You can barely hear this operating, and for me, that is a must-have when I'm looking for a dehumidifier. Another standout is that it's going to show you the percentage of humidity in real time. We've already dropped 2% in this room, which is pretty great for only operating for less than a minute. All in all, if you're in the market for a new dehumidifier, I highly recommend checking out the one from Veagaso. In my opinion, it is a standout. It's easy to use, it's compact, and it will dehumidify up to 2,500 square feet, which should be perfect for most homes. Thank you so much for watching this video review, and I hope that it helped.